All right, trigonometry part 6. There is a question here about determine the sign of trigonometric ratio of the given angle. Trigonometric ratios are, first, what are the trigonometric ratios? Are sine, right? Sine of angle theta, cosine of angle theta, and tangent of angle theta. And for sure, the sine of angle theta and the cosecant of angle theta, which is equal to 1 over sine theta, they take the same sign, negative or positive sign. The cosine and the secant theta, which is 1 over cosine theta, they take the same sign, and tangent and cotangent, which is 1 over tangent theta, they take the same sign, right? And again, let me do this again. We can say, okay, this is trigonometric circle, this is 0 degrees or radians, 90 degrees or pi by 2 radians, right? Pi over 2 radians. This is 180 degrees or pi radian, 270 degrees or 3 pi over 2 radians, and this is 2 pi, which is 360 degrees or 2 pi radian, which is the same as 0. This first portion here, all of them are positive. So all students try cheating, right? Or all students take chemistry, or all students take calculus. All means all of them are positive, as only the sine, which is the sine, and the cosecant are positive, and the other trigonometric ratios are negative. Tangent and cotangent are positive, and cosine is only positive here. Let's take some angles and see how to deal with those. 140 degrees. We need angle 140 degrees. 140 degrees. Theta is 140. So where is first 140 degrees? This is 90, right? And this is 180. So between 90 and 180, there is the 90 plus 50 degrees somewhere here. There is the angle 140 degrees, right? So it is in the second portion where the sign is positive. So sine is positive, cosecant is positive, and everything else is negative. Cosine is negative, secant is negative, tangent is negative, and cotangent of angle theta is negative. Okay? Let's take another example. If theta is negative 300 degrees, right? Negative 300 degrees, for sure anti-clockwise, counterclockwise is the positive sense, and negative sense is the clockwise. If theta is negative 300 degrees, how can we find all the trigonometric functions? The sign of the trigonometric functions. Let's go negative sense 300 degrees, right? This is 0, so we have to go somewhere negative 90, negative 180, negative 270, 390s, and more by 30, right? Negative 300. So this is the angle. It is from here to here, right? So all of them are positive. Sine, cosine, secant, cosecant, tangent, and cotangent, all of them are positive values. 300. Here all are positive, right? Let's take the 300. Is it the same as negative 300? Let's see. 300, positive 300. 90 and 90, 180, again 90 to 170, 30 more. So this is the angle, right? No, all students try cheating. This C here means cosine of angle 300 degrees is positive, secant of 300 degrees is positive, and all other trigonometric ratios, sine, cosecant, tangent, and cotangent are negative. One more, negative 180. Negative 180. Okay? Negative 180. This is 0. And we go to the negative sense until we reach the negative 180 degrees, right? Negative 180 degrees. So we are here. What happens here? When I said all students take calculus, this means between 0 and 90, all of them are positive, right? Between 90 and 180, sine is only positive, and for sure cosecant, whatever, etc. So what happens if we have, right, here, the angle is negative 180. Negative 180, cosine, we know that the cosine 0 is 1, right? It's on the x-axis, radius, 1 radian. So the cosine of negative 180 is minus 1. Cosine negative 180 degrees is minus 1 because it is on the x-axis to the opposite sense, 1 radian. So the cosine of negative 180 degrees is equal to 1 minus 1, right? So what is the secant? Secant of negative 180 degrees is 1 over cosine, so it's also minus 1. So both are negative values, right? What happened to the other values? Sine negative 180 degrees. Sine is only found on y-axis, right? Or anywhere parallel to y-axis. This means the sine negative 180 is equal to 0. And that means the cosecant of negative 180 degrees is undefined. Why it's undefined? Because it's 1 over sine, and the sine is 0, so it will be undefined. Great. What happens to the tangent? Tangent negative 180 degrees. The tangent theta is always equal to sine theta, right, over cosine theta. So what is tangent negative 180? If sine is 0 and cosine is negative 1, so it's 0 over negative 1, which is equal to 0. Again, what will happen to the cotangent in this case? Cotangent negative 180 degrees is equal to 1 over tangent, means 1 over 0, so it's also undefined, right? It's also undefined value. We still have just about 2 minutes. Let me talk about theta reference, and we do the example of theta reference in the next video. What's the meaning of theta reference? Theta reference is simply the angle, the terminal ray of theta makes with the x-axis, and let's draw this. The terminal ray makes with the x-axis. For example, if the angle is 30 degrees, if theta is 30 degrees, how much is theta reference? It's also 30 degrees, because the terminal ray with the x-axis, the angle is 30. That's great. What will be the theta reference of more than 90, let's say, right, of this angle, which is more than 90? This terminal ray makes this angle is I said it's the angle, it's the acute angle. We have to look about the acute angle, because here we have between the terminal ray and the x-axis 2 angles. Here is one and here is another one. So this is theta reference because this one is acute angle, right? What happens if we have angle theta is 0, right? This means theta reference is also 0. And if angle theta is 90, this means theta reference is 90. And angle, what else? Let's say angle theta is 300, let's say 300. Okay, so this is the acute angle. What left from 300 is 60 degrees, so this is called theta reference. Okay, and see you next video.